Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wastickers files. To begin, you will need a sticker maker application on your mobile device. This app helps convert your images into the correct format for WhatsApp. Ensure your images are in PNG or WebP format with a transparent background. Each sticker should be exactly 512 by 512 pixels. You will also need a tray icon, which is a small image representing your sticker pack, measuring 96 by 96 pixels. Before creating your sticker pack, careful image preparation is key. Choose clear, engaging pictures you wish to transform into stickers. Use an image editor to precisely crop each image to 512 by 512 pixels. Crucially, remove any backgrounds to achieve a transparent effect, making your stickers look seamless in chats. Finally, save these perfectly sized and transparent images as PNG or WebP files, ready for the next step. Now, let's build your sticker pack using a dedicated sticker maker app. Launch the application and begin importing your carefully prepared images. You will need to select a small 96 by 96 pixel image to serve as your pack's tray icon, which is how it appears in WhatsApp. Remember, each pack must contain a minimum of 3 stickers and can hold up to a maximum of 30. Once you have added your desired stickers, your pack is almost ready. The final step is to integrate your new sticker pack into WhatsApp. Within your sticker maker application, locate and tap the Add to WhatsApp button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Simply approve it to complete the transfer. Your custom sticker pack will then be available directly within WhatsApp's emoji keyboard. You can now easily select and share your unique, personalized stickers in any chat, adding a fun touch to your conversations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.